Hello, this is a quick little shaky video of running the Jetbot using AWS services. So we're going to start with a very simple video that demonstrates just detecting a person or some kind of thing in the Jetbot's view. Right now I'm running the NVIDIA Jetbot by waveshare, and on top of it I have a YD LiDAR and running on top, and it's got a sound sensor module and some other stuff going on there. Well, the important part is here, as you can see, I am setting up an S3 session and using the session-based username password kind of token approach, and from there I am getting back all of my buckets. These are just test buckets, really nothing you can get out of this, and then from there, as you can see me talking. That's the camera view from the robot itself. That's why you get the side profile right there. And I'm storing some just this default code that comes with the Jetbot, by the way, to store images that are both good and bad as far as being blockers for its movement, for the Jetbot's movement. And then if it decides that the image is good, it'll keep going. If not, it'll stop. Very simple code. We're going to skip all the way down to the bottom here, and just to demonstrate the robot moving, I'm going to make it move here. And here you're going to see the robot move briefly, hopefully to the left without getting hurt. So let's move it in the middle, that way if it slides to the left, nothing bad will happen. Okay, going to run that. And there we go. So we stopped. Okay. And so that demonstrates that the robot moves left to right, and that's all great. And now that we've done that, well, let's go ahead and do some live coding here, because we wanted to move back to the right and stop. Just go ahead and just change that to make it move to the right real quick. And so we're going to run this little block again to get it to go back. Oh, there we go. Perfect. And so now it's facing me. And just to verify that, we're going to run this display image code again. Could not read an image from the camera because I stopped the camera. All right, so let's stop again and run that again. Okay. There we go. So there we go, we're back now. And so now what we want to do is take that image, or an image, and send that up to S3. So what I'm going to do here, this is one of my test buckets. So I'm going to send this current image to S3, like so. Okay, and there it is, and this is all hard-coded. I would probably use a GUID or something like that to name this something appropriate, or date or something like that, something that shows off what the image is. Anyway, point of this is to actually do this this bit of recognition, get back the bounding box for my top confidence detection. So I'm using AWS recognition, which you can find the recognition tutorials and code on AWS's website. Sorry for the background of the dryer going here. So then what happens here is I'm just going to detect some labels, and let's run that so you can see it running. And there you go. And almost real time, as fast as I could go get that image from S3, I was able to, as you can see here, detect it with confidence, 97% sure that the Jetbot is currently looking at a person. And next step probably for me is to create the bounding boxes around this particular bit of information that's coming back, just like you would for any other OpenCV or other kind of object detector like MobileNet or any of those. Okay, all right, that's good for today.